Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Jupiter Aggregator settings for Solana swaps. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update Jupiter Aggregator settings for Solana swaps, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Jupiter Aggregator website. Once the site loads, locate the menu or dashboard. Find the settings option within the menu. Click on the settings option to access configuration options. In the settings, look for the swap configuration section. Review the existing parameters for swapping tokens. To update the slippage tolerance, adjust the percentage according to your preferences. If necessary, update the transaction deadline by specifying the duration in seconds. Next, ensure that the supported tokens list includes the tokens you intend to swap. If not, add the required tokens to your list. Save the changes you made to the settings. After saving, go back to the main page of the aggregator. Now, you can initiate a swap by selecting the desired tokens. Input the amount you wish to swap, and review the fees involved. Confirm the swap settings once you are satisfied with the parameters. Finally, execute the swap to complete the process. Monitor the transaction status to ensure it completes successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.